In the first 2 years, he traveled throughout India to study the situation of the country under the British rule. Means in the first 2 years, when the Gandhiji was returned to India, and in the first 2 years he traveled throughout India, means to study the situation of the country under the British rule. Means what was the situation at that time of the India, okay, under the British rule. And people loved him because he worked hard for the people, and people loved to Gandhiji because Gandhiji was work hard for the people, and he wanted to live like the people in the countryside. And Gandhiji wanted to live like the people in the country, okay. And he was very close to the poor, and Gandhiji was very close to the poor. And spinning used to be a common job for the people in the Indian villages. Means spinning means the process of converting fiber into thread, and that is spinning used to be a common job, okay. That is a to be a used to be a common job for a people in the Indian villages. And the most of the clothes used by people in India were produced and imported from the Great Britain. Means the clothes used by the people in India were produced and imported, means to bring the products from the another country, okay. That means the clothes that is imported from the Great Britain, and most of the clothes that is used by the people in India were produced and imported from the Great Britain. Gandhiji felt that this was the main cause of the poverty in India, and Gandhiji felt that this was the main cause of the poverty in India, and he started spinning and continue it for the rest of his life. And he started spinning means the process of converting fiber into thread, and Gandhiji was started this process and continue it for the rest of his life. You see beta in this picture, Gandhiji started spinning, that means the process of converting fiber into thread. And he encourage means he gives support or give a confidence to the people to produce and buy their own Indian clothes, okay. Means they encourage people to produce and buy their own Indian clothes, and people begin to boycott, okay. And British goods, means people begin to boycott, means British goods. Boycott means that to refused to buy our products, okay. Now people started to refuse to British goods. And the British levied heavy tax on the salt. Levied means charged. British charged heavy taxes on the salt, and that was taken out of the sea. And Gandhiji decided to protest. Protest means in which people gather to show disapproval. Okay, Gandhiji decided to protest, and Gandhiji marched. March means to walk in a steady way, means to in continue way over 200 kilometers to the sea. Means they started walking with the other peoples, okay, in a gather in a continue way over a 200 kilometers to the sea. And this was called the Dandi March, okay. This was called the Dandi March. And when he started it, and he had only a few hundred followers when he started this marching, okay. And he had only a few hundred followers, but when they reached the sea, but now when the Gandhiji and other followers reached the sea, there were thousands of people, okay. Now they with Gandhiji, there were thousands of people with them. Gandhiji took a handful of salt and asked everybody to do the same. Means Gandhiji take a handful of salt and asked everybody, okay, to do the same. And the soldier hit them all, but Gandhiji and his followers did not use violence. Means the soldiers, means the British hit them, okay. The soldiers hit them all, but Gandhiji and his followers did not use violence. They do not fight with them, okay. Gandhiji used non-violence, means they avoid fighting, okay. And truth, means they use non-violence and truth as his weapons to put up a fight against the mighty British Empire. Okay, means Gandhiji used non-violence and truth as his weapons, and to put up a fight against the mighty means powerful British Empire. He succeeded in his mission, means Gandhiji was successful in his mission, and India ultimately won independence from the British on 15 August 1947. Means ultimately India won independence from the British on the 15 August 1947. And there were three principles of Gandhiji, and they become very famous by the name three monkeys of Gandhiji. You see, the three principles were: never speak evil, means evil means wrong or bad, means never speak bad or wrong, okay, and never see evil, okay, never see wrong or bad things. And next one, never hear evil, never listen to wrong or bad things, okay. Now in recognition of his leadership, he was called the father of the nation, and he was called the father of the nation, and Tagore had given him the title of the Mahatma Gandhi. Rabindranath Tagore, that was poet, okay, had given him the title of Mahatma, okay, a title of Mahatma a couple of years after his return from South Africa. When he, after so many years, okay, after his return from when he returned from the South Africa, Tagore had given him the title of Mahatma, okay. And Gandhiji loved children very much, and Gandhiji loved the children very much. Children affectionately called him Bapu, means children with love called Gandhiji Bapu, and he treated the people of all religions with great respect. Means Gandhiji treated the people of all religions, okay, with the great respect. And Gandhiji called the people of scheduled caste as Harijans, that is the people of God. Gandhiji called the people of scheduled caste as Harijans.